Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a proxy server in Google Chrome on a Windows 10 PC. If you want to browse anonymously or access content restricted by location, setting up a proxy server can help. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Chrome and look for the Customize and Control icon in the top right corner. It's the three vertical dots. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on System section. Here, click on Open your computer's proxy settings. This action will open the proxy settings window on your Windows 10 PC. In the Automatic Proxy Setup section, you'll see an option to use Setup Script. Turn this switch off. Now, scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section. Turn on the switch that says Use a Proxy Server. Here, you'll need to manually enter the IP address and port number of the proxy server. A proxy server address is similar to any computer on a network. It might look something like 192.168.1.211. The port can be any combination of up to 4 digits, such as 80 or 8080. To find a suitable proxy server, open a new tab in Google Chrome and search for Free Proxy Server list. You'll find many websites that offer lists of free proxy servers. One highly recommended website is freeproxylists.net. On this website, you'll find proxy servers categorized by country, IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols. You can search by country and protocol to find the right server for your needs. For example, if you want a proxy server from a specific country, you can select that country, and the website will display available servers. Once you've found a proxy server that fits your needs, copy the IP address and port number. Go back to the proxy settings window and paste these details into the respective fields. Don't forget to check the box that says Do not use proxy server for local addresses. Click Save to apply your settings. To verify that your proxy server is working correctly, open a new tab in Google Chrome and search for whatsmyapp.com. This site will show you your current IP address and location. You should see that your IP address and location have changed according to the proxy server you've set up. This confirms that your proxy server is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a proxy server in Google Chrome. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Check out these other videos for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.